Welcome back to the NDTV Coca-Cola Support My School campaign. I'd like to now welcome on the stage two of our key partners in this entire endeavor. Amitabh Puri, who's the CEO of CAF India, who's one of the implementation partner for the entire scheme, and somebody who needs very little introduction, Dr. Vindeshwar Pathak, founder of Sulabh International, also helping a lot in this. Amitabh, we're happy to tell you that we've already raised enough funds now for 46 schools. We were 26 before we started. 20 more have come in during the course of the morning. Let's see where we get to. Perhaps you could just tell people what happens with the money that is collected. It's about 5 lakh rupees per school, right? What do you do with the money?
We cover about 5 components through this 5 lakhs that goes to each school. They include rainwater harvesting, access to water, sanitation facilities, sports facilities, and a little bit of environment greening. So that's what happens with the 5 lakhs. In the experience so far, we found many things. It's about saying, so when you look at, you've already seen the joy and the pride on the faces of the children. What is also apparent is that what needs to go along with the provision of the facilities is the awareness creation. So when we went to one of the schools where this has been provided, the children said they had a hand pump earlier and they had been provided with a water point. They continued to use the hand pump saying, wo pani peene ke liye hai, ye haath dhone ke liye hai. So there's, like I was mentioning, there's the need for awareness creation. We've also been inundated with applications for inclusion of more schools. So I would say that the target is just not 100 schools. There are many more schools that need it.
Eventually, I guess the government has to really step in because there are hundreds of thousands of schools. So maybe we can do 100 schools today if we are lucky. But really, it's the government that has to step in at some point. Dr. Pathak, sanitation obviously is something that is one of the reasons why you founded Sulabh International.
Yes.
It's one of the areas where we are so far behind in general in the country.
Yeah, actually, in 60s, when I came on the scene, no house had a toilet and no school. I experienced myself, in all the 4 schools, no toilet. And we had to go sometimes inside near the pond to defecate ourselves as a student. And my teachers regret even today. And they say, had there been toilets in schools, we would also have gone there and we would have become like my brother. And so they are regretting. So this is very important that every school should have the facility of toilets. And because of non-toilets, defecation open, it causes a lot of diseases. When they go for defecation open, then through the feet, the many bacteria are transmitted in the stomach, and the hookworm, roundworm, they are all caused. So therefore, this was very important that there should be sanitation. Without sanitation, recently there was a survey, not survey, I'm saying a research conducted doctors, and they voted sanitation first and pediatrics second. So,
right. And that's why 100 children in India die every single day because of diarrhea.
Yes, because of diarrhea. My own sister's son died because of diarrhea.
Okay.
I'm not talking about others. So that is most important thing, that sanitation. And what I would like to say here, that you compare the NDTV, Coca-Cola, UN Habitat and others. This is yeoman's job we are doing for this country. Because sanitation is the first thing.
Right.
Everything comes next. If you go to traffic, people can wait for the presidents to go, prime minister to go, governors to go, but the call of nature cannot wait for you.
Right.
You not wait for a second. So therefore, this is very important that you are helping schools to have water supply, sanitation. In our days, you must not have experienced, but I experienced myself in the school, in the village.
Right.
Nothing, no facility at all.
Well, sir, it's still sad that there are so many schools which don't have the facilities that they should, but thank you so much for your efforts, and hopefully we will try and make a change. If nothing else, I hope we will try and create awareness that the state governments and central governments will say this is the sort of
yes.
that we need to turn our attention to. Thank you both so much for all that you've been doing. in this campaign. It's really been an honor and a pleasure working with both of you. We're going to take a break right now, and then when we come back, a lot more still to come. So don't go away. We'll be back in just a couple of minutes.
School chale hum, oh, oh, oh.